Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of compact adventure and smart mobility with the JP Star Happy One Plus camper. Designed for freedom, efficiency, and everyday usability, this mini motorhome redefines what a small motorhome can offer. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a cleverly designed living area that maximizes comfort within a compact footprint. The interior features durable materials, soft touch surfaces, and modern finishes designed for long-lasting use. The main cabin includes a convertible seating area that transforms into a sleeping space, integrated storage compartments, and large windows that create an open and airy feel. The kitchenette is neatly laid out with a portable cooktop, sink, small refrigerator, and storage for essentials. Despite its size, the sleeping area offers impressive comfort, and the compact wet bathroom setup ensures convenience for short trips and weekend adventures. Now, moving to the exterior, the JP Star Happy One Plus camper embraces a clean and practical design. Built on a compact chassis, it's ideal for city driving as well as countryside exploration. Its boxy yet modern shape improves interior space while maintaining excellent maneuverability. The exterior finish is simple yet durable, designed to withstand daily use and outdoor conditions. A side awning provides shade and a cozy outdoor living area, while the compact wheels and subtle JP Star badging complete the camper's minimalist look. Its small dimensions make parking easy and allow access to places larger motorhomes simply can't reach. When it comes to performance, the JP Star Happy One Plus camper focuses on efficiency and ease of driving. Powered by a small displacement, fuel-efficient engine, it's designed for smooth urban travel and relaxed highway cruising. The lightweight construction ensures responsive handling, while the suspension is tuned for comfort on everyday roads. Its automatic transmission delivers seamless shifts, making it especially friendly for new camper owners. The camper also includes essential safety and driver assist features, helping drivers feel confident whether navigating narrow streets or tight camping spots. This is a camper built for simplicity, reliability, and stress-free travel. Finally, let's discuss the price. The JP Star Happy One Plus camper is positioned as an affordable and accessible entry into the camper lifestyle. With a starting price typically ranging between $25,000 and $35,000 depending on configuration, it offers excellent value for those seeking freedom without a massive investment. The pricing reflects its practical design, efficient performance, and thoughtful features, making it ideal for solo travelers, couples, or first-time camper owners. This camper proves that adventure doesn't have to come with a luxury price tag. To sum up, the JP Star Happy One Plus camper is a smart blend of compact design, everyday practicality, and adventure-ready functionality. It delivers comfort, efficiency, and flexibility in a package that's easy to drive and easy to own. Whether you're planning weekend escapes, urban road trips, or minimalist camping adventures, the Happy One Plus camper is ready to take you there. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in camper and automotive excellence.